everybody, do you guys love crochet-alongs? Because I'm Juniper in Oaks and I love to host crochet-alongs. I'm excited to announce the beginning of the Mosaic Flower Garden crochet-along. This is a beautiful blanket that I designed and I'm really excited to get it to you for springtime. This is a 10-part crochet-along and it has a mix of different kinds of flowers. Here's kind of like a fence trellis thing, and then we have a couple butterfly patterns and then this beautiful fun envelope border. Now you guys, this is overlay mosaic crochet and it looks like intricate color work, but it's really easy because look at the back side. We have basically stripes. So this is basically a striped color work pattern, meaning we're only using one color at a time for one color per row, and then we get this beautiful design. And we get that by working only 2 different kinds of stitches. We have single crochet worked up in the back loop only, and then we have a double crochet stitches where we skip a row and we do a front loop only double crochet down below, sometimes called a drop down double crochet. It's really super easy, I promise, and I know that you're going to love it. If you don't know how to do this technique, that's all right. I have tutorials and stuff that'll help walk you through it. There are so many resources, you guys, and I hope that you sign up to learn how to do this crochet along. You can find all the information you need to know by looking at the links down below, but you're gonna need some worsted weight yarn. You could use DK weight yarn if you want to, in 6 colors. If you wanna crochet this up in just 2 different colors and just have like a dual tone blanket, you can totally do that. But if you want it to match mine, I used 6 colors, like a beigey color, and then I also used kind of like rainbowy colors. I used pink, yellow, green, blue, purple. So worsted weight yarn in 6 colors, as well as a size H hook. Feel free to mix and match and do whatever you want. Make this blanket yours. One cool, interesting thing about this crochet along is that usually I just have 2 colors per section, per swatch, but these color changes are done in different rows. So this swatch has 3 different colors, but really each row is still only 1 color. Then for the final section, this one here, you see I have the 3 different color flowers. I have a video explaining how I did the color changes here. So that's where it gets a little bit more complicated as the last section. But if you are new to overlay mosaic crochet, this blanket is for you because I have instructions on how to do everything. And I know you're gonna love this blanket. So this is run as a crochet along where on April 1st, 2024, the first section is gonna be released. And then every Monday and Friday in April, each section will be released. And then if you crochet this up, say in May or like 5 years down the road, all the sections are available for you and you can participate how you choose. I just love crocheting along with you and I hope that you'll crochet along with me. More information about this cal can be found down below and I really do hope that you join. I had so much fun crocheting the Nordic Star blanket with you. I love my crochet community so much and I just wanted to put a new offer out there for this crochet along. I hope that you join. You can sign up right now for the crochet along and it'll give you all the yardage and materials that you will need. So you can order your yarn. I'll give you links and everything to the materials that I use so you can go ahead and get those ordered. There's also going to be tutorials in there on overlay mosaic crochet, how to make your own swatch so that you can practice these stitches before the crochet along actually starts in April. Okay, make sure that you like this video so that more people can find out about this cal. Comment below, are you participating in this crochet along? Why or why not? Maybe are you too scared to try mosaic crochet? Maybe you hate mosaic crochet. Let me know and I would love to know in the comments if you're joining us or not and why. If you're not already, subscribe to this channel so that you get notified anytime that I release a new crochet along or other yarn related content. All right guys, happy crocheting, yay!